David Summerbell and Doug Gore were rivals and left it all on the track, exciting motor racing fans locally for many years. But their sons, Senna Summerbell and Tommi Gore, while following in their footsteps, are charting their own course in Germany, and it is bearing fruit. So much so that offers from different teams are pouring in for the 2025 season. Dennis Waters tells us more.
It was for us now to go and make sure that our sons were going to take it to the next level. And boy, have they done so.
Super proud of both of them, both on and off the track, what they've been able to accomplish while going to school, while working, while being, doing it all at a very high level is incredible.
That's David Summerbell, and before him Doug Gore, the fathers of Tommi Gore and Senna Summerbell, beaming with pride. Tommi and Senna, known as the Reggae Racers, created history after finishing third in the first race at the final event at the ADAC GT4 Racing Series in Germany in October. But it wasn't a smooth journey.
We went there as pretty much nobodies in the championship. Two guys from Jamaica who had a lot to prove, had a lot of weight from Jamaica on our shoulders, and we went from the lowest of lows to the end of the season finishing third, which is the best podium finish for any two Jamaicans in such a high series, and both Tom and I are proud.
We were driving an Audi R8, we were at the back of the pack. We were in P20, P15, out of 25 people, so we're in the latter half, Everybody's like, all right, they're okay drivers, they're not dangerous, they're on the track. In mid-season, we decided to switch to the Porsche team, and immediately we're top 10, top 5, and then we get that podium at the end of the year, and everybody's like, all right, these guys are serious, they know their stuff, they're really good drivers, and we'll be back next year to compete against them at the highest level. That's our plan.
The Reggae Racers spoke of the work put in to be able to compete among the best.
We get to the track 2 days before the event, and we have about 3 sessions to fully learn the track that these guys have been racing on for years and years. Tom and I go to these tracks, learn every corner, push like hell. We go from the Friday of practice to Saturday, Friday learning the track to Saturday qualifying and racing, and I mean that's how the format was, and we did outstanding to be able to adapt to these tracks so quickly and do so well by the end of the season.
When you're in the car, everything fades away, but when you're at the track and you're walking around in the paddock and by the pit garages and you're seeing this atmosphere, this professionalism, and all these fans who are so passionate about racing, people will actually come back to races just to see us, the two Jamaicans, get our autograph again and take some pictures with us, which is incredible. I mean, you never think that you can gain popularity in a completely different country where nobody knew you at the start of the year.
And the pair are in high demand following a successful debut season.
I can tell you 2025 is going to be massive, it's going to be huge. When these boys go up there, we have one thing on our mind, is to go out there and win the championship. And I just want to big up all the new sponsors that we're going to come on in 2025. And this is going to be a hell of a ride, hell of a journey.
So many teams have reached out to us now wanting us to drive for them and believe that we're capable of winning the championship. So lots of options for next year, and we'll see where it takes us.
They were speaking at the launch of Tommi's and Senna's 2025 season. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Denise.